Papa's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. This is the first swarm pitch from this location this year. Box felt good and heavy, but that don't never mean nothing. So we're gonna have to open it up, take a look, see what it is. Hopefully it is a good thing that it's heavy. But that last one, that number 16 we just installed, it was heavy as could be. But that was all the honey that brought with him. It wasn't because she done laid that many bees. And I might have just been tired that late night I picked this one up. So, I don't know. We're going to do a reveal. Not quite as exciting as somebody having a baby, I reckon, but it's a reveal just the same. Oh, this is embarrassing. I must have been really tired. That board has seen its better days. It has caught its last swarm. Oh, this is sad for over there. Typically, I don't catch many swarms over there, but when I do, they're big. And you know what? I remember picking this trap up now. I'm mistaken. It wasn't real heavy. But I beat on the box, and I couldn't hear them buzzing in there. And I was like, well, were they still just on scouts? And I opened this up in the dark and picked in there with the red light on my head, and they just kind of looked up like, oh no, we're in trouble. He's gonna eat us. No, I ain't gonna eat you. But daggone if y'all ain't got to do some growing. I ain't seen no queen. There's a queen right there. She's pretty. She's looking something to lay on. And she just didn't bring a lot of bees with her. So I'm going to give her a frame of drone. Just because I can. You got the resources. And it's one that, I mean, there just ain't a lot of bees in there. And she got to have somewhere to lay them up. I ain't gonna mark her. I'm gonna give her another frame drawn too. She needs some help. She got to have some bees do her bidding. And she ain't got them right there right now. All the bees out the box. Alrighty. So yeah, that wasn't real impressive, but it's still a swarm of bees with a laying queen, and she's pretty. Hopefully, she can step her game up now and have at it. Papa's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. We're getting ready to go install 18. That's the one that hung on the box and changed locations on me twice and hung for 24 hours. I can't wait to see that queen. Please like and subscribe and keep following us.